I'm Dr. Eric Harris. I'm an assistant professor and optometrist at the Illinois College of Optometry. The Pre-Health Professions Crash Course is an opportunity for students who are in their senior year of high school or anywhere in their undergraduate or graduate careers. We invite them to ICO for an all-day event where they go through a series of lectures, workshops. Many of our students will come from underrepresented backgrounds, so it's even more important that they actually get to see and interact with someone who has been in the shoes that they wish to be in.
The reason why representation is so important is because a lot of times in my career and in the things that I studied, I was usually the only person who looked like me. I know when I was their age, I really wished I would have had some exposure to various health professions and health careers. And so this really kind of opens the book of what they can do, what they can pursue.
It definitely helps to see other people that look like me that are also holding these kind of professions, and they're talking about their experience. So for anyone that is actually trying to pursue a job in the medical field, they at least get some kind of background knowledge in that specific profession. So today was mostly focused on optometry, and it was just really nice to hear a lot of information on it from other doctors. So it's definitely inspiring.
Minority students, I think we all had the experience of growing up not knowing that there were people that look like us who did these things. These types of programs are really important for young people to be able to see what they have the potential to be able to do.
Sessions like these, they provide you with so much more information. It's not just you going into a lab and looking at eyes. They actually talk to you about psychology, about optometry. So I feel like this is really a place for people to understand where they might like to be in the future.